Matter around us, Part 2. Matter can exist in any of the three physical states, namely solid, liquid, or gas. Let us understand the difference in the properties of a solid, liquid, and a gas. Characteristics or properties of the particles in a solid. The force of attraction between the particles is very high in a solid. That means the pulling force between the atoms in a solid is very high. So there is little space between them and they are closely packed. As a result, the solids have a fixed or definite shape. Since the space between the atoms is very little in a solid, they cannot be pressed too much, so solids are incompressible. The atoms cannot move freely in a solid, so they maintain a definite shape and volume. Characteristics of the particles in a liquid. In liquids, the force of attraction between the particles is lesser than that in the solid. So they are not tightly packed and have greater space between them. As a result, compression is possible to a small extent. The particles move freely, so liquids do not have a definite shape. Take the shape of the vessel in which they are kept. Characteristics of the particles of a gas. The force of attraction is the least between the particles in a gas. So particles are loosely packed and the space between them is very large. Hence, they are highly compressible. The gaseous particles are in continuous random motion, so they do not have a definite shape or volume. Random motion means not moving in a particular path, changing the direction in an irregular manner. This you can see in the picture. Repeated viewing of the video will enable clear understanding of the concept and thorough learning of the scientific definitions. Let us learn about what are considered as impure substances by chemists in our next video, Matter Around Us, Part 3. Please like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.